Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Study Blog. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of filing your GSTR-3B for January 2025. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for GST Login. Click on the official GST Services portal. You'll see the login screen. Now, enter your username, password, and the captcha code. Once you've filled everything in, click on Login. You'll be taken to your welcome dashboard. Here, select Return Dashboard. Choose the financial year, which in this case is 2024 to 2025. Then, select the quarter and the period, which is January 2025. Click Search. Scroll down to the Monthly Return GSTR-3B section and click Prepare Online. Now, carefully verify the outward supply details, which should match what you filed in your GSTR1. Double-check your eligible ITC, input tax credit. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Proceed to Payment. Review the tax payable and your utilizable cash balance. Click Make Payment Post Credit to Ledger. Read the warning and click Agree and Continue, then Yes to confirm. You'll see a message indicating that the offset was successful. Click OK. The system will now offset your GST payable with your available ITC. The Proceed to File option will now be unlocked. Click on it. Check the Acknowledgement box, select your authorized signatory, and choose to file GSTR-3B with EVC. An information pop-up will appear. Click Proceed. Enter the OTP you received on your registered phone number or email and click Verify. A filing pop-up will appear, indicating that your GSTR-3B has been successfully filed. Save the ARN, Acknowledgement Reference Number, for future reference. You'll also receive an acknowledgement on your registered phone number and email. And that's it! You've successfully filed your GSTR-3B for January 2025. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Study Blog for more informative content. See you in the next video.